Hey guys, how's it going? Ghostly Rich here today. Today we're going to be swapping out this sealed box. If you guys remember, I made this. I can admittedly say I don't know how to carpet. This is one of the first boxes I ever made. Today we're going to be working with Lloyd here, right there. And we're going to be building a box. So we've already put it all into software. We've cut our wood the way we want. Again, the reason why I'm not telling you the software and stuff like that is that stuff that's personal to Lloyd's shop. So I can't exactly go and give you away stuff like that. But what I am going to show you is the assembly process. So we've already started some stuff. We've been building the port. As you can see, because he's got some very nice tools and snazzy daddy stuff here. You can see he's routed, he's made some very nice cuts here, and we're slowly building. So you have templates like this, and like I said, we've already put this all into the software, so we know it's going to work. We've tuned it to 45. There we go. See, Lloyd's got it all off the top of his head. 45. And it's what you should usually do for these. But anyways, we'll let you see what it looks like. And again, it's going to go in the Jeep. We've actually measured it out, so I'll have a mounting point in the Jeep, so when I do need to pull it out, if I'm pulling some heavy stuff out, we can. Bam. See, check this out compared to what I'm used to. You guys seen me do mine with my jigsaw. He's simply just gonna slip it in the hole. There we go. Flick it on. It's gonna go up, down a little bit. Oh, there we go. Doesn't want to wreck his templates because those things are expensive. Yeah, that's the biggest thing. Check this out. Boom, baby. That didn't take very long at all. Lloyd in action.
We're just gonna nail it together and then we'll screw it up.
Sounds good. Just so we can kind of tack it all together, yeah? Way better.
It's way easier to hold.
It seems so much like bigger in the CAD, but I know once I put it in there.
Oh, it's actually not that big.
No, it's not bad.
It's only 1.25, so it's not.
Now that we've got this sorted, now we need to build the port. Birth of a port. Okay. Perfect. So now that we've got the big opening here, start to do the rest. It's a nice looking port. The rounding takes the edges off. Perfect. Time to bust a cap in this box. As you can see, he's putting the end piece on over by the port there. And after that, this piece goes very nicely right here. And our last piece on the top. Paint the port so it's nice and black. So when you wrap it, looks good. Just wrapping up, a couple more screws all the way around. Giving it that support because it is a 2,000 watt sub. You gotta have that in there. We have it mounted in there, it's sitting. Now it's time to see how it sounds. We gotta make sure it sounds good before we do the rest of the work. Take a look at that. So you're wondering what's going on here? Look at this tie down here. So I'll be able to put a strap from here around to this side to be able to strap it down, and then if I'm going off-roading and I just can't have the sub in here, I can quick release it, but it's still strapped down, so if I am off-roading with it, it's not bouncing all over the place, and I can't mount it down really because the gas tank's right underneath there. And the other reason why is that's not very quick disconnect. If I was doing this and I did not care, what I would do is I'd just mount, before I put the sub in, I'd probably just mount it into the subfloor and then do something like that. But since this is not going to be permanent and things could be changing, not going to say too much right now, let's go and turn this on, test it. I'm not going to be showing much testing today. Next time you guys will see it, we'll be carpeting it.